In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mirrored video effect using CapCut. This effect is a fantastic way to add a visually interesting dynamic to your video content. Let's dive in and see how you can achieve this creative effect step by step. To start with, what you'll want to do is duplicate your video clip. Once the duplication is done, stack this new video layer directly above the original clip in the timeline. This creates two identical layers of the same video, one resting neatly on top of the other. Arranging your layers in this way is crucial because the subsequent steps will rely on the distinction between the base and the top layer to achieve the desired mirror effect. Now, select the top video layer by clicking on it in your timeline. We want to apply effects solely to this layer, leaving your original footage untouched. Navigate to the Effects menu, where you'll find a variety of options to stylize your video. Here, you'll want to choose the Mirror effect. This effect is designed to flip the image along the axis you choose, giving a seamless mirrored look when paired with the bottom layer. Once the Mirror effect is applied, you'll need to decide on the direction of mirroring. CapCut lets you choose between vertical, horizontal, or diagonal directions. Each direction offers a distinct visual feel. A vertical mirror creates a split-screen effect with the top and bottom reflecting each other. A horizontal mirror flips the image sideways, and a diagonal mirror brings a unique twist by reflecting diagonally across the frame. Your choice will depend on the aesthetic you wish to achieve with your content. With the mirror direction selected, it's time to make final adjustments to align the two layers perfectly. This involves repositioning each layer slightly if necessary to ensure a clean mirror look without any misalignment. The goal here is to achieve a seamless blend where the mirrored reflection looks intentional and precise. You might need to use CapCut's transform tools to nudge the clips until they sit perfectly mirrored. This adjustment stage is critical because it fine-tunes the visual harmony of your mirrored effect, ensuring your video appears polished and professional. There you have it, a beautifully mirrored video effect that's sure to captivate your audience and elevate your video project. Experiment with different mirror directions and positions to discover how this effect can enhance the story you're telling through